I built an AI automation for business meetings. The idea is simple. After a meeting recording is saved to the Google Drive, the AI workflow triggers automatically. It downloads the video, extracts the audio, and sends it to two different AI pipelines. First, an AI summarizer takes the transcription and sends a clean summary to your Slack channel. So your whole team is updated without anyone having to write anything about the meeting. Second, it extracts the action items during the meeting and automatically add the task in Monday.com with the task name, description, and the priority. So let me show you how it actually works. I have a short recording of me talking about building a lead generation workflow. Think of it as a mock meeting. I will upload it to the Google Drive folder right now, and let's execute the workflow. Now that it's done, let's go to Slack. You can see the summary just came in. It captured the date, the key points of what I was discussing, and if we go to Monday.com, the action items are already there as tasks. It has the description, the priority, and ready to go. No manual notes, no copy pasting, it just handles everything the moment the recording is saved. If you want something like this for your business, just DM me and we can talk about it.